The code 128 in your Vauxhall or Opel vehicles means that the bonnet is open. The first thing you should try to fix it is reopen the bonnet and then close it firmly to make the switch reapply. This may or may not help because Vauxhall and Opel bonnet switches were not really of high quality in certain period of time. I see a lot of problems in cars between the 2014 and 2018 model years, and the biggest problem is that this faulty switch triggers the alarm all the time. You may try locking your car with the metal key and this may prevent the alarm from going off. I should say it may not work with some security systems though. So it's possible to replace the bonnet switch, which is the only culprit of this problem, but in most cases it's easier and not much more expensive to replace the entire bonnet lock with the integrated switch. I should also say that the connector of that bonnet switch is extremely strange and fragile, so I would recommend you let someone experienced do this job for you, because it's not that hard to break that connector and end up paying much more money for soldering work. And before you invest your money, you should also find this connector and check if it's tightly connected and not corroded. Sometimes reconnecting it may work, but as I've already said, this connector is pretty tricky, so be careful with it.